Alright, today we're going to show you how to actually use a can of spray paint. And most people do it wrong. They hold it back here and try to fan it at it, but that's not how you do it. This is how you do it. See, I learned from Chip Foose, one of the best in automotive painting. You've seen some of his work. Well, this is how he taught me. See, you put it on thick and let it just kind of pour down. See, that gives it that wet look when you're done. See, you don't want to just, you just don't want to do that. That's not, you just really got to get it in there. You know, make sure that coat of paint is on there. So you've got to be really thorough. You can come back to this one and hit it some more. See, when it gets done, see it runs down and it's smooth. Water, when it's pouring down, looks smooth, doesn't it? It looks wet because it's water. Well, see, this is like water now because there's so much of it. And that's how you paint.